Hey, it's Crossy here from American Thunder Magazine. I'm down at American Icon Motorcycles at Cogra, and I'm here today with Ben. How you going, Ben?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Good. Excellent. Great little spot here.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's nice, tucked away little garage.
How long have you been here?
We've been open 12 months. The blokes who own the place have been here for 50 years.
Yeah?
We're just taking over with the bikes. We've been doing cars for ages.
That's right. You've been a Harley mechanic for a while?
Harley mechanic for 7 years now.
Oh, excellent.
Did my apprenticeship at Trevette. Left after the apprenticeship, went to a little independent shop. Did some custom work over there, and then decided to open up my own thing.
Fantastic. Opening your own thing better, is it? Working for yourself,
awesome.
isn't it?
It's awesome.
That's good. But you've got to be good at it because you don't last long these days.
Yeah, no, it's a lot of work. Still struggling with the paperwork side of things, but on the tools I'm good.
Yeah, I notice a lot of people when I've come here before coming and going all the time, which is really fantastic. So what do you do to the bikes here? Well, what do you normally do?
We do logbook servicing with all genuine oils and gaskets. We do customizing. We do some importing and compliance stuff. We can do pink slip inspections, tyres, everything.
Everything.
We get everything here, yeah.
And
all models, everything 10 years and older, all that sort of stuff.
Perfect. So you're okay with everything. Now, where are you located? What's the address?
81 Barton Street, Cogra.
Cogra?
Just off the Grand Parade, yeah. I think it's about 8 minutes from Trevette Harley Heaven. Harley
They've changed their name, haven't they?
Yeah.
There's a bit of a roundabout down the side there.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to find, yeah.
And what's the phone number?
0411 407 123.
And what's the street?
Barton Street.
Barton Street. All right. Thanks for talking to us.
No
Appreciate
worries.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you.